In my newest video, Winter Fox in Watercolor, you'll learn everything you need to know to create a realistic wildlife painting in my signature step-by-step teaching method. Learn at your own pace with over 150 minutes of pause anytime instruction at your fingertips. From preparing your paper to essential tools, techniques, and color recipes, I share all of my trade secrets to create plush fur, glassy eyes, and a soft, dreamy winter background. Download and stream anywhere, anytime with this online course. It includes a downloadable reference image to sketch or print, to trace and transfer. With over 25 years teaching watercolor all over the world, I'm thrilled to bring you this exciting new online course. Join me, Crystal Beshara, today. I can't wait to share this new video with you. Stream or download now at crystalbeshara.com.